Hey everybody, I hope you are having a great Tuesday. I wanted to come on here really quickly and share with you how to upload your book blog to Canvas. It's really simple, so we're just going to walk through that really quickly. Okay, so first you are up on Canvas and I'm going to go ahead and switch to Student View. All right, perfect. Okay, so you can either go to the modules page and you will see book blog with the little pencil icon, or you can go to the assignments page and you will also see book blog with the pencil icon. So either one is fine. So you will click on that to open up the assignments page where you will submit your assignment. Mine already says resubmit assignment because I was practicing the other day, but we'll just do it anyways. Okay, so, but yours is going to have a green tab up here that says submit assignment. So you will click on that, okay? Then you're going to come down here to website URL. So you'll click on that. You need to go to Blogger and log in with your email, which should be a Gmail account. And we set all of that up yesterday in class. So log into Blogger with your Gmail account and your password, and then this screen will come up, okay? What you want to do is go to your picture book blog that you created. I know some of you finished your picture book blog, and some of you did not, and that's fine because it's not due till September 30th, so that's okay. All right. Once you have that created, what you want to do is click on it and click View. And it should pop up like this. This is the part that I need for you to submit. Click on the URL, but I need you to back up and delete all of this. The part that I need is whatever you named your blog. So mine is Memos with Meredith. .blogspot.com. So whatever the title of your blog is, that's the part I need. So the name of your blog .blogspot.com is what I need for you to send. So all you're going to do is highlight that, copy it, come back to Canvas, put it in this box, and it's recognizing it because I've already done this. Paste it in there, and then just click Submit Assignment. And that's all I need. And it will say assignment submitted or submitted. And that is all I need. Okay? Once everyone has done this, I will put everyone's assignment on Symbaloo, and we kind of looked at that last night just a little bit. Once I have everyone's book blog, I will combine these on Symbaloo, and then I will send a link out to everyone for Symbaloo. You will not need to resubmit your book blog after this. So you will only do it this first time, and then that is it. When you keep uploading book blogs to Blogger, it will just automatically keep up with itself. So you will not be submitting anything else after this. This is just a one and done, and that's it, okay? So I hope this video will help you. If you have any other questions, please call me, email me, come by and see me, and I will help you out. I hope you have a good day. See you later. Bye.